You know, there are some out there that have always questioned me tying my line directly to my ball bearings swivel with channel lock. They say, oh, you're going to cut the line. I picked up Barracudas. I picked up, like just now, I picked up that beautiful big white. But take a look. The line is not chafed at all. I haven't lost anything for the last 6+ months I've been using Tracershots. This system, but tying direct, does work. Coming your way. Oh, really coming your way. Ah, heading into the mangroves. What? Well, I'm still fighting this one. It's going in the front of me, went to the left, now it's going to the mangroves on the right. I can see the wake it's leaving on the water. Hey, take a look, brother. Looks like a decent size Amilu. Maybe. Yeah, why don't you come over? I'll back up and you can pick it up. What do you think? Looks like what, about 3, 4?
I gotta look at it. Yeah, it's nice.
You know what? Oh, it was right there. It was only like 20 feet off from shore. I was unusual.
Yeah, they're coming close, them guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's a white.
Oh, it's a white? Yeah. I see the blue, that's why. I'm going to keep backing up then.
It looks like there's a kind in it.
Looks like there's blue, yeah?
No, it looks like there's a tag on it.
Oh, really? Yeah, it looks like you're right. Okay, you got the line ready, yeah?
Yeah.
I've been trying to baby it all this time.
I don't want to.
Because it's kind of strong, yeah?